you freaks don't stop the rock. That's free stuff speaking in over hot. Free stuff speaking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock. That's free stuff speaking in over hot. Everybody will be dancing to the beat on the floor. You will encounter situations never thought of before. Satisfaction's guaranteed if you know what I mean. And when you walk into that door, it's such a freaky scene. Speaking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock. That's free stuff speaking in over hot. You ladies interested in the words I speak, we will be rocking like this every night of the week. And all you fellas tell the ladies don't stop the rock, because you know that we'll be jamming all around the clock. I went to a party, and what did I see? The girls were wearing leather skirts and see-through jeans. I asked the DJ to tell me what was going on. He said, freestyle's having a freak that fun. Speaking in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock, a freak that fun. Speaking in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock. There's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So bring your body with you, baby, and I'll make you feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Now speaking in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock, will blow your mind. Now speaking in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. The pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Freestyle speaking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock. Let's freestyle speaking in over hot. Freestyle speaking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock. Let's freestyle speaking in over hot. There's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So bring your body with you, baby, and I'll make you feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Freestyle speaking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks don't stop the rock. That's freestyle speaking in over hot.